Okay, welcome to episode 3. Okay, episode 3. Yeah, that's clear there. Okay, episode 3. We're going to answer question 3. Okay, the question goes like this. Figure 3.1 shows a wire for an electrification system being held tight by a load L and a pulley system P. Hope you can see the diagram. We go straight forward to question A. Question A reads, state one factor that multiplies force in the system shown in the figure 3.1. Okay, state one factor which is being multiplied, which multiplies force in the system. Well, that factor is what? It's the velocity ratio. That's your answer there. That's one of the factor which is being multiplied with a force. Go to question B. What is the purpose of pulley T? Or if you look at the position where T is, it simply means that it helps to reduce what? Tension at P. Here, yeah, since here the force have to go from there to there to there. So by the time it is in there, it will be what? Reduce. So the answer, it helps to reduce tension at what? At P. Then you go to C. This question C reads, if the load L is 2,000 Newton, what is the tension in the wire W? Okay, so we need to find the tension at W. Okay, when finding the tension at W, simply use the formula for mechanical advantage, which you all know that mechanical advantage is equal to what? Effort over load, just like that. And we also know that mechanical advantage is equal to what? Velocity ratio. Hope we are clear. So meaning we need to find what? The mechanical advantage. Effort is the tension which is being used at W. So technically we need to find what the effort. So how do we find the effort? We need to find the mechanical advantage. So how do you find mechanical advantage? Since we know that mechanical advantage is equals to velocity ratio, and the pulley system, we know that if we want to find the velocity ratio, just simply count the numbers which are between the wheels, or the numbers or the lines which are being formed between the wheels. So we have this wheel, and that wheel, and the lines being formed between these two wheels are these, which is 1, 2, 3, and that is what? That is your velocity ratio, which means that is what? The mechanical advantage. So substitute into the equation to be 3 is equals to effort is being represented by W in the question, and the load have been asked to find is what? Have been given is 2,000 Newton. You simply cross multiply to find your answer. So say W will be equal to, when you multiply 3 by 2,000 to give us 3 by 2,000 to give us what? 6,000 what? Newton. And that is what? Your tension pulling what? At W there. I hope you are enjoying the series, you guys. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section right there. And go to question D. If you are behind in any part, just leave a comment in the comment section. So we go to question D. Question D is find the efficiency of the system. Okay, we know that efficiency is equals to what? Equals to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times what? Times 100. And we both know that mechanical advantage is 3 and velocity ratio is also 3, again multiplied by 100. But if you do this, efficiency should be represented. It shouldn't be represented. It should be written like that. You should just try to forward efficiency to avoid any mistakes. Efficiency will be equal to, when you multiply this and this can cancel, you have 1 of 1, you multiply, going to give you 100% as your efficiency. Just like that, you guys will get your 6 marks. If you have any question on this question, if you only have any question on this question, please comment on the comment section. Look out for part 4, which will be magnetism.